We're gonna do some bird watching here, you guys. This video is only bird watching. With a little bit of music, maybe.
Records on records, got bags on backers on riding.
I almost dropped my phone down there. Man, one of them standing in the rice, man. He don't want no one to get his food. Look, he's fighting everybody off. Just so they won't get his little bacon bits. Look at that. He's like, get away, man. He's like greedy. Look, you know, these are my bacon bits, man. Mine. Look, one of them kicked him. One of them just ninja kicked him. Boom, boom. One of them just ninja kicked him in the head, man. I'm turning the car off. Maybe I'll leave it on. I don't know. Oh, man, they're fighting. Oh, I think one of them just pooped in here. Oh, I don't know what that was, man. Look, they're fighting, man. Look, dragon kick right there. Oh, look. He dragon kicked him. Turn this car off, man. I'm just wasting gas. Let's zoom in a closer look on this fighting action. Fighting action, man. The name of this video is Bird Watching # Bird Fights. Look, they're gonna fight right now. That one's gonna fight that one for the title. Man, that one's going crazy. Look, he just doesn't know what to do. He's just turning in circles. Well, he's fighting. He's going out to the other one to fight him. Check out that car over there, $29 liability. But I like the wrapping, the color and everything. It looks cool. Zoom in on how he's eating this here exactly. Man, he's got the whole thing to himself now. He's eating it like a crazy person. Let's see if I can scare him maybe a little bit. Booga booga booga. Booga booga booga. No, a different one's eating it. Oh man, they're fighting again.
Are they gonna keep breaking this? Are they gonna break me off?
I like how there's blackbirds that get all fluffy when it's cold or chilly outside. And look, those are fighting ones. Tweet, 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 tweet. Zoom in on this one right here. This one's got problems. This one's got problems. Tweet. Look, that one's got problems too. He's trying to eat the car. This one has problems. Whoa, those birds were fighting over there. He's watching us. Look at him. Look at that one. See how they get all fluffy when it's cold? Look. Whoa, they flew away. Look at that one's like, why do they fly away and stuff, man? Those are the only ones left. Oh, there's some over there. Look. There's a little fluffy one. Let's record him. He's fluffy. It's a little fluffy bird. He's fluffed up because it's cold. Now he's trying to eat the concrete. So that one sees a spot on the ground he doesn't like. That one's eating something off the ground. This one here has problems. You can tell. You can see what they have, what kind of radio and stuff. Oh, look at them. He's mad. You can see people in the mirror. Who's in the mirror? What they doing? Everybody, man. They're not doing anything now. They're just sitting there. They don't give a hoot. These two right here have bad problems. They're sick in the head, especially this one. Now there's 3 of them. Maybe if I get in the car for a little bit, they're gonna go and eat this rice over here. Oh, there's another one, a male. This one's a male, you can tell because his skin is more black. This one's a female because you can tell because it's more like it's more light. All these 4 here are females. You can tell because their feathers are like they're not the same. They're like lighter skin, lighter feathers, and they're shorter too. That one's a girl too. That's what you can tell. I gotta show you the male ones. They're right. There's one right there. That one's a male. That's a pigeon. He's eating the food again. And I don't know if it's the same one or not. Oh, that one's getting close. Someone's calling. This pigeon has like orange eyeballs. This one's like finishing the whole side of the rice, man. Look at that. He's like Joey's World Tour. It's like Joey's World Tour right here. Joey's World Tour eating the whole side of the rice. Man, he's finishing the whole thing up. That one's staring at me. See, that one's a male. See how black the fur is? And it looks different from the face. Look. Someone keeps calling me. Now the doves, I don't know quite yet how to tell them apart from the males and the female doves. But if I watch them for a while, I could kind of learn. You see, that black one is a male, and these lighter ones are the female ones. The males, the doves, I don't know exactly how to tell.
She did this.
Oh, it's okay.
It's her fault.
I'm just recording it.
Birds. They won't go away. I'm scared of them. I'm not surprised.
Why are you scared of them?
They big. They might attack.
Well, thanks for feeding them. I got some footage.